Hi, this is Bobby at Propel TV Repair with a functionality pro video for Vizio XVT553SV mainboard marked with B. I don't know, customer will recognize that marking. That was sent to here, serviced, and we're making sure that the customer sees that we'll be sending it back functional. Today is 11th of August 2023, and this is the board. This is the usual setup that can be seen in all our videos. This is the MP3 player currently playing through the HDMI port. The board is working. There will be no warranty because of the agreement between us and the buyer and the condition that the board was set in. Instead, this is this functionality pro video. One thing, let it blink after you connect the board and start the TV. Let it flash until it stops. It took longer than usual for me this time. It may take longer for you, but pretty much that's all. Thank you. See you again.